My name is Construction Unit. Today I want to show you made in Israel ladder. This ladder is a leg extension ladder. It's very, very important in Israel. Every contractor must get this ladder. It saves a lot of time and it's convenient to use. That's why you can call it a contractor partner in Israel. Very, very important. It's a special ladder made in Israel. So you can see how the ladder is. This is the iron. This iron makes the ladder to move like this. It makes this move. So it's not stable because of this place. Then we now have iron here. This rod here is what strengthens the rung of the ladder. This rod here. So this ladder can be of any height. You count them based on the step. This one has how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one has 6 steps. So you can have 8 steps, 9 steps, even 10 steps. So this ladder you can fold it like this. You can fold it this way and then you carry it. This ladder can stand on a free space. It can stand on a free space like this. It's not leaning on any. It's not suspended on any. It's standing on itself. So you can also lean it on wall like this. You can stand it on the wall like this. And then you will climb. So this ladder is so special. 2 people can climb at a time. One person can climb here. Then another person can climb here. So when you climb, you hang your bucket or whatever you're using to work. You can hang it like this here. You can hang it here. You can hang anything, whatever. You can put screw on the wood. And then you hang it here. Right? So this ladder is so special. This road is for to guide the legs, to make the legs not to extend, not to open too much. Because if you open too much, it will be difficult to control. So there is a standard for the opening. If this way is not stable, if it's farther, it's too much. So this is a standard. The opening here is a standard. It makes it comfortable. So this rope controls the leg. Therefore opening. From here to here, there is a measurement. From here to here is 36. From here to here is 36. Here is 36. 36. 36. So from this end to this end is that from here to here 36. So the free space between each two is 24. The free space between each two is 24. 24 car. And the size of this wood is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter thickness. And then from one wood to another you have 24. So in this wood there is also groove here. There is groove here. This one goes into the groove and then you put the rod and tight it here. When you tight the rod here, it brings everything together, makes it strong. So this is how the ladder is being designed. Like I told you, this is what hold the two together and make it stable and at the same time flexible. And that's how this ladder is designed. Then you have this here. This here is stud. The stud here is to make it stable on the floor. This one, see, to make it stable on the floor. I want you to notice that I said from this step to this one is 24, but the first one is less. The first one is less because that is the first step is less. The first one is 20. Why in green is 24. Okay, now I want to climb on it. Climb on it, and then as you climb, you hold it like this, and you when you are standing like this, the ladder is balanced. We call it extension leg. Extension leg in the sense that it extends my leg. It's like my leg. The ladder is like my leg. Extended my leg to the length I need. So if I need higher, I bring higher. If I need smaller one, I bring smaller one. So it's leg extension. The ladder is leg extension. So this ladder I can walk anywhere, making my walk easy. I don't need to come down and pick up something. As I have my pouch on me, I put whatever I need on my pouch, put my material here, and I can move. I can move to anywhere I want to go. I can move like this. I can move to the front. So now I want to show you how to move with this. It's very simple, but you need to learn it. You see my leg here? See my leg? My leg will be like this. The toe will be inside, and the heel will be outside. Then here we hold this place. The two will be hold, here will go like this. While here goes here, the toe goes inside, the heel outside. So that I can pull it out. So I use this one and this one to lift it. When I lift it up like this, then I use this one to push it forward or push it back. Push it this way or push it back. So my knees is making it step while my foot is expanding it in or out. In or out. Here is loading the step. So when I step this one in, then I take this one out. I step this one in, I take this one out. I step this one in, I take this one out. So that's how the ladder works. See, I'm again, I don't suspend myself with anything. I'm just standing on the ladder. Very comfortable. So if I'm working on the ceiling, I don't need to come down if I need to do something here. I go on here and do what I want to do. If I also need to go up there, I'll simply move like this. As I move like this, I do whatever I want to do. After doing it, I move this other way. I move here. So it's a simple ladder that makes the work easy because it eliminates the time of coming down and climbing up again, coming down and climbing up. So as I stand on this ladder, I move easily. So it's the extension of my leg and it makes me walk freely. So like I said, use my toe here to pull it out, balancing it with the heel, just like this. The leg should not spread. My foot is not spread along the rung. No, my foot is inside and my heel is outside. So that I use it to push it and pull it back. So that's how it works. It's not in this one. This one is the same position. You can see my heel, my toe here, my heel here. Then I'm using my knees using my knees to stabilize it while I on it. So that's how it goes. For instance, I have my material here. Like I said, two people can stand here, one person can stand here and help you. But when you are moving, only one person can move on it. Then I stand comfortable like this. As I'm walking like this, I'm walking. I don't need to come down to do whatever. Like I'm making drywall paper. As I'm making the drywall paper, when I get to the end here, then I come. That's why I call it contractors partner. It's a very special ladder. Like I said, very special ladder. You can stand free without any support. You can stand free, you can go on this side, you can climb on this side. It's very stable, very balanced. So I am showing you how the ladder is constructed. I'm giving you all the measurements. You can build it and use it. That is what my channel is meant for. To teach you on how you can improve on your construction. To show you what we have. This if is better than what you have, then you can adopt our own style. So that's the idea of this channel. I want you to, if you like what we are sharing, I want you to give me a thumb up and then like it. Subscribe my channel. Subscribe. When you like my channel, YouTube will help me to push it up, show it to more people. So if you like what I have shared with you, just give me a thumb up. Show it by giving me a thumb up. Then YouTube can push it. As you have learn this, I want more people to also learn it. If you are a carpenter, you can build it. You can build it. I'm giving you the measurements. You can build it. Okay, what I also want to show you that's very, very important is the length of this. Here is 28. This place is smaller. And here is wider. This place is balance while standing on it. That's how it's designed. It's a very strong ladder. The pattern is very, very nice. Very, very nice. Far better than most of the ladder we have in the market in the society. This ladder you can comfortably